Hello and welcome to another edition of pre-market analysis. Today is Friday, 24th of October, 2025, and we are going to be considering all that happened yesterday, Thursday, which is the 23rd of October. This is a disclaimer that this is not a financial or trading advice. Please do your due diligence before investing. So over the week, we've been seeing the bullish trend taking place one day at a time as investors actually increasing the number of transaction that the uh, Nigerian Stock Exchange is doing. So the NGX continued its upward trajectory also on Thursday as the ASI advanced by closing to 0.49%, closing at 154,489.90 points. This positive performance highlights sustained bullish sentiment and steady investor confidence across key markets, across key sectors. Market activity showed strong improvements across all major indicators. The volume traded surged by 57.24%, indicating robust participation from both institutional and retail investors. The number of deals rose by 7.79%, suggesting renewed trading interest and market engagement. Similarly, the market turnover increased by 12.25%, signaling the appetite for high-value transactions, particularly in large cap equities. So when looking at the market snapshot for yesterday, we can see the increase of 0.49% going from 153,736.25 to 154,489.90. The number of deals also increased from 28,485 to 30,703, indicating a 7.79% increase, while volume traded moved from 589,486,334 to 926,920,179, indicating a 57.24% increase, and market turnover increased from 24 billion to 26.95 billion naira. That's a 12.25% increase. Looking at the top gainers for yesterday's market, at number one is PZ, closing at 42 naira 9 kobo. That's a 10%, a whooping 10% increase. And tip also at number two, closing at 14 naira 3 kobo, indicating another 10% surge. Considering that on Wednesday, tip was on the losers table. So at number three, we have ASO Savings, which has been consistent for some time now, since it get back into trading on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. It closed at 6 kobo, indicating a 9.09% increase. That's 60 kobo. We also have CAP. CAP closed at 74 naira, indicating an 8.8% increase. 8.8% increase. And WAPCO closed at 150 naira 45 kobo, indicating an 8.63% increase. Okay, so at number three, that ASO savings closed at 60 kobo, 60 kobo yesterday. So note that as point of correction. So on our top losers table at number one, we have John Holt, closed at 6 naira 5 kobo, indicating a 9.72% loss. The number two, we have Multiverse, closed at 12 naira 55 kobo, getting a 9.71% loss. And at number three, we have Stanbic, closing at 107 point 2. That is 107 naira 2 kobo, indicating a 9.15% loss. Nigerian Breweries came up at number four, closing at 70 naira per share, indicating a 7.83% loss. UPDC Real Estate Insurance Trust closed at 7 naira 35 kobo. It was previously on the gainers list, indicating a 7.55% loss. So looking at our expected market performance for today, Friday, the market is likely to open with a continuation of its upward momentum as the ASI closed at a fresh high of 154,489.90 on Thursday, reflecting a 0.49% gain. Strong improvements in volume, deals, and turnover signal broad market participation and sustained investor confidence. If this enthusiasm holds, especially ahead of the weekend, the market could see further modest gain, potentially testing new resistance level. Not also minding the fact that it's the weekend and sometimes on Friday like this, stocks are usually dumped for those who are taking off profits for the weekend. So for our sectoral and key stock focus, large cap equities, continued appetite for large cap stocks is expected today, driven by institutional and retail investors targeting dividend paying blue chip companies and stable earnings performance. For financial and consumer goods, where this sector will likely be in strong focus as they traditionally lead markets, moves in stable growth phase, and benefit from ongoing rotational buying. So dividend play and defensive stocks also is another sector. Investor appearing positioned for dividend season may selectively accumulate defensive sectors, including telecoms and consumer staples, seeking stability amid broader market optimism. As most institutional investors or private investors might be investing into stocks that will yield the next set of dividend for their portfolio. So on our pre-open signals and risk for today, position signals include improved liquidity, increased trade volumes, and greater market breadth, which supports a constructive trading environment. Risks include potential profit taking ahead of the weekend, especially on recent outperformance that may cap gains or introduce intraday volatility. Market participants should watch for macroeconomic releases, corporate earnings, updates, or geopolitical developments that could quickly shift sentiment. Okay, so on the overall outlook for today's market, Friday session looks poised for steady gains backed by strong participation and a buy the deep mentality among investors. The overall environment favors selective stock picking in high quality large cap names with robust fundamentals and attractive dividend prospects. While the outlook remains bullish, traders should be mindful of short-term volatility risks and maintain tactical flexibility. So that will be all for our pre-market analysis today. I'm going to see you same time on Monday when we also analyze the market for the new week session. Meanwhile, tomorrow I will be posting some other analysis on the channel. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you are not left out. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend ahead.